A bidding war over mental health care has flushed out a pledge from the government to include more spending in next month's budget. Tony Abbott's promised to pump almost $2 billion into mental health if he gets elected. The government's responded with its clearest indication so far that new funds will be found for the mentally ill. Here's political correspondent Greg Jennett.
In the pre-budget season, it pays to be cunning.
This is rat work.
Oh, rat work,
yes.
OK.
Tony Abbott's chosen his moment carefully to pledge an extra $430 million for mental health services.
So we do lots of studies here.
On top of a still valid election promise from last year, it brings the coalition's total to $1.9 billion.
This is a test for the government, a test of the seriousness of its commitment.
I think there is a lot of conversations going on.
The Treasurer saw the test coming and in far north Queensland summoned mental health expert Patrick McGorry for a pre-budget briefing.
We think in the region of about $2 billion at least per annum of new money to actually make these reforms real.
Mental health is a key priority for us in this term of government.
The government's not giving a figure, not criticising Tony Abbott's policy directly and not disputing that around $2 billion is needed.
There is more to be done, and we've made clear that we will deal with that in the budget.
Unlike Tony Abbott, the government's got to fund its spending promises, and on the eve of the Easter weekend, it's doing it, delivering a $460 million hit on its own workforce. Called the efficiency dividend, the money will be stripped out of the public service in just one financial year, starting July.
This should leave an impression that the government is serious about returning to surplus, about driving efficiencies in the public service and tightening our own belts.
The latest cut means departments must now find more than $1 billion in savings over 4 years, and unions believe they'll take it out on staff.
This increased efficiency dividend will result in further cuts to jobs and services.
Odd, they say, in a budget built on a welfare to work theme. Greg Jennett, ABC News, Canberra.